Welcome to DX1PRS Net Call. Please support DX1PRS Evening Net Call. 145.340 MHz. Monday to Saturday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Monday and Tuesday. NCS, 4 Golf 1 Papa Uniform Romeo, Ruth Boy. Wednesday and Saturday. NCS, Delta Uniform 1 Papa Romeo Foxtrot, Caesar. Thursday and Friday. NCS, 4 Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform, Nelson. Thank you very much for supporting DX1PRS. God bless. 73.
SecureNet, in a minute we're about to start the Saturday net call of the X1 PRS. All stations please stand by. Okay, good evening, fellow hams. Good evening, Manila. It's the 9th day of January 2021. Welcome to the Saturday edition evening net of the X1 PRS, or the Pyramid Radio Society Incorporated. This net call will be dedicated to our fellow hams Loloton, Iwan Yoy, in memory of his contributions to the Amateur Radio Society. So, the X1 PRS is an amateur group. We are registered with the SEC, our Security and Exchange Commission, affiliated with the Philippine Amateur Radio Associations, and duly accredited and licensed by the NTC, or National Telecommunications Commission. We are conducting the net from Mondays through Saturdays at 8 o'clock in the evening. And your net control for tonight is the B1 Uniform Lima Mike. My name is Francis. I am transmitting from the city of Muntinlupa. To all stations, please elevate your transceiver to frequency 145.340 MHz for easy and clear receptions. All stations, please stand by for the opening prayer. The U1 PRF, the B1 ELM. Good. Yeah, please go ahead with the opening prayer. All stations, please stand by.
Okay, at tahimik po tayo at ilagay ang presensya ng Panginoon sa atin. At sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen. Panginoon, gabayan mo po kami sa aming gagawing net call in memory of DU1 UOY, si Loloton. At nawa po ay maging matagumpay ang memorable na net call na ito. Nihilig po namin ito sa ngalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Ikaw na nabubuhay at tagahari magpakailanman. Amen.
Okay, thank you, the PRF, the X1 PRS for the opening prayer, and we shall now listen to any emergency, priority, or medical traffic by which a group can be of assistance. This is the X1 PRS, and all that stations will be standing by. Second call for any emergency, priority, or medical traffic. This is the X1 PRS, and all that stations will be standing by. Okay, nothing heard. I'm calling for any stations with announcements from the chairman of any committee, from the NTC or PARA, or from any amateur local clubs. Please make your call. This is DB1 ULM for the X1 PRS standing by. Second call for any stations with announcement. This is DB1 ULM standing by. Okay, for the announcement, PARA office would like to inform you to update your PARA membership ID, expired or renewal or new applications. Please coordinate with our committee members. So, ma-update natin yung listahan natin. Again, PARA membership for 2021. Expired, renewal, or new applications. Okay, kindly facilitate to Amor for the application forms and payment. Okay, this is a supervised net, therefore all calls must pass through the net control and all stations are requested to break in with your complete amateur call sign, which include the prefix, the district number, and your suffix. We shall now begin the roll call by calling on any stations, be it on mobile, base, or portable, who wish to join the Saturday edition evening net call of X1 PRS in memory of the one UOY Lolo Tony. Please call my station. This is DB1 Uniform Leo Mike for the X1 PRS standing by.
481 LTU.
Okay, I heard two stations, DB1 SBS and 4 Echo 1, Echo Mike Kilo. 4H1. Pakitama na lang po mamaya. Echo Mike Kilo. Any other station?
481 LTU.
Okay, do you copy Nelson? The station with the 4 Hotel, QSL? Okay, I copy. Nandito na po si 4 Hotel 1, Echo Mike Kilo. Pakalawa po kayo. 4 H1 LCU, pangatlo. Yung mayroong pang Alpha with the call sign. Pakibalik. 4 Hotel 1, Alpha, India lang nakita ko. Okay. 4 Hotel 1, Alpha, Lima, India. Si Mang Lito. Okay. June, unahin ko lang to si napakahina, squelch down ako. So, 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Lima India, Mang Lito, gandang gabi po sa inyo. Yes, sir, salamat din po sa inyong suporta para sa ngayong gabing panawagan natin. At 73, 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Lima India. This is DB1 Uniform Leo Mike. Your station is clear. Okay, DB1 SBS. Happy New Year, Mang Jun.
Kaya Laika, Happy New Year Press, long time no hear yan. DV1 ULM, with DV1 Sierra Victor Sierra, supporting and joining the net of our group, the Exxon Paris. Good evening to our station monitor. No more traffic, 73, and mabuhay.
1 Mike Alfa Romeo for the net.
D1 Papa Victor Hotel for the net.
Golf 1 Mike X-ray Papa for the net.
Okay, copy D1 Mike Alpha Radio and si Mike's X-ray Papa. Meron pang isa ako nakaligtaan.
D1 Papa Victor Hotel.
D1 Papa Victor Hotel. Nandito na po. John, thank you for coming up supporting our group's net 73 and please do stand by. DB1 SBS from the group, checking in, your station is clear. 4H1 Echo Mike Kilo, good evening. Jessel, tawag dito, Edmond, salamat at in memory of D1 UI, ang aming club trusted mentor at lolo. Okay. So salamat po sa inyong support at 73, keep safe and be well. 4H1 Echo Mike Kilo, your station is clear. 4H1 LCU, magandang gabi. Nelson, go ahead.
Magandang gabi, Press. Delta Victory 1, United Lima Mike. Magandang gabi sa iyo for Loloton's Unforgettable Memorial Net Call. DU1 UOY. For Hotel 1 Lima Charlie Uniform supporting the special net call. And 73, advice nga pala, naka-live po tayo sa net, sa FB at sa pangalan ko po, Nelson Celosa Paralea, 73.
Okay, thank you for the streaming, Nelson. May 5% ako dyan, ha? Thank you for coming out supporting our group's net. Salamat sa inyong suporta sa pag-net call araw-araw sa inyong mga net-control natin. So from the group, the station of 4H1 LCU, one of the NCS also natin dito. Checking in, your station is clear. Okay, si Mang Lito, 4H1 Alpha Lima India. Magandang gabi po. The station with the Alpha Lima India, 4H1 ba? Alpha Lima India? Okay, balikan natin si Mang Lito. Tapos na ito yung kanina. Ano yun? Si D1 MAR, Mike Alpha Radio.
Delta United 1 Zulu Charlie.
4H1 Alpha Lima November. Kailan yung si Mike Offset?
Okay, I copy 3 additional stations. Si Mang Abet, D1 Victor Golf Charlie, si Alpha Lima Nancy, 4H1 Alpha Lima Nancy, and si Mang Danny. Yankee Mike Charlie. Second call, D1 Mike Alpha Radio.
Kailan yung si Mike Offset?
4H1 Yankee question mark.
Yeah, ino.
Pakiulit pa ulit.
Charlie.
4H1 YMO.
Hindi ko makakuha eh. Parang busy masyado. Isa pa ulit. 4H1.
Yankee Mike Oscar.
Yun, Yankee Mike Oscar. Okay, nandito na. Pakiantay lang po. Okay, next call is ito. Hindi ko nasulat. The station with Mike X-ray Papa.
Yun magandang gabi, Tito Apo, Golfan, Mike X-ray, Papa. Tagpapatala lang po mula po dito sa Binaon Rizal, Buhay 73. Wala naman po mensahe para sa ibang istasyon at lagi sumusuporta sa inyong istasyon at sa lahat. At magandang gabi po muli sa iyo at sa lahat ng istasyon at sa iyong pamilya. 73. 1 Mike Alfa Romeo for the net.
Delta United 1 Zulu Charlie.
Yun, QSL. Thank you for coming up supporting the net. 73 4G1 Mike X-ray Papa. Checking in from Binangonan. D1 Mike Alpha Radio, go ahead. Good evening.
Tito, ano po lang po yun? 1 Mike Alfa Romeo. Good evening, Control. Good evening, all station. 1 Mike Alfa Romeo supporting the net of the X1 PRS. No further traffic, 73 na buhay. God bless all station.
Oh, QSL. Wala ka pang registered call sign?
Yes po, Tito. For ano pa po? For exam pa po.
QSL. Okay na yan. Mike Alpha Radio na lang gawin no? Okay, thank you for coming up and supporting our special net call in memory of D1 UI Lolo Tony. 73 and have a fine weekend. Mike Alpha Radio, nandito na. Okay, next station is the station with Papa Victor Hotel. Magandang gabi po.
Hey, magandang gabi, Control. I call is Delta United 1 Papa Victor Hotel and members of Loloton, D1 UI. Checking in 73 and mabuhay. Here in Cabuyao, Laguna, my handle is Eric Eco, Romeo and Charlie Kessel.
Yeah, QSL Eric, thank you for coming up and supporting the Group Net 73 and thank you for supporting this special day of Lolo Tony. This is DB1 Uniform Leo Mike. The name is Francis and I'm here in Muntinlupa City, 5960. I'm calling the station of Pangapit, D1 Victor Golf Charlie. Yun, QSL, thank you for coming up supporting the net. 59 dito, o dalawa na lang for coming up supporting the Group Net. So I have the station of D1 Zulu Charlie. Yan, nandito na. Ang ating susunod na station is 4H1 Alpha Lima Nancy. Go ahead.
Yan. Good evening, Control. Good evening all around. Just taking the evening net call, the X1 PRS. Yun, another traffic, 73. Thank you po.
Yeah, thank you likewise for coming up supporting the net 73 and catch you again on Monday. This is DB1 Uniform New Micro Station is clear. The station with the Yankee Mike Oscar, pakibalik po ang prefix. This is DB1 ULM.
Ito, sister, magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi, X1 PRS. Pero ito yung Yankee Mike Oscar. Transmitting Kalambala ko na my handle Gilbert and this from Papa Mabuhay. 73, magandang gabi po. Mabuhay, 73.
DB1 Oscar Mike Victor.
Okay, I copy. DB1 Oscar Mike Victor. Okay, susunod na po, Ninong Rolly. Instead, thank you for coming up supporting the Group Net 73 and catch you again on Monday. Sa lahat ng stations po na mag-check-in ngayon, you will have a special certificate from the group courtesy of the D1 Papa Radio Fax. So, papost nyo po yung mga certificates nyo for this special day in memory of D1 UOY Lolo Tony. So, 73. Come on, D1 Zulu Charlie.
Good evening, Control. This is Delta United 1 Zulu Charlie, Pasig City from the group DX1 Lima, supporting the memorial net call for Loroton, D1 OUY. Back to you. Stay safe, Francis.
Yes, sir. Come on. Thank you for coming up supporting the Group Net 23. baka makapag-net tayo ulit sa kabilang banda. Baka balik ng 1 and 0 digital. So D1 Zulu Charlie checking into Dex 1 PRS evening net. This is DB1 Uniform Lima Mike. Your station is clear. The station of DB1 Oscar Mike Victor. Magroli, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Olvan Francis. Good evening, DX1 PRS. Joining the net in memory of D1 UOY. No traffic, 73, and mabuhay.
Yes, and mabuhay likewise, Rolly, and thank you for coming up, always supporting the group's net. And catch you again on Monday, and 73. The station from Lucena, QRZ. This is DX1 PRS, standing by.
November Tango po the net.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta.
Papa Quebec.
Charlie November Delta for the net.
Delta Zulu 1 Delta.
4 Hotel 1 Bravo Tuloy Icon. 4 Golf 1 Foxtrot Bravo Lima.
Okay, all stations, please stand by. I have listed 5 stations. With the stations with Victor Whiskey Lima, si Nancy Tango Tango, Delta Zulu 1 Delta, dito na rin. Bravo Zulu Echo, Pax Bravo Lima, nandito na rin. Okay, unahin muna natin ito. Ang hirap nang hindi updated ng logbook. Okay, the station with Victor Whiskey Lima, go ahead from Lucena. Good evening. Okay, 73 likewise, and thank you for coming and supporting the group's net. 5 and 7 ka dito sa Muntinlupa. And catch you again on Monday. So the station with 4 Gold 1, November Tango Tango.
Likewise, good evening, D1 PRS. Please log my station. 4 Golf 1, November Tango Tango. Nick po ng Taytay Rizal at sa grupo po ng DX1 ART. Just joining and supporting the DX1 PRS. Net call 73 and mabuhay po. Ingat-ingat.
Hey Nick, thank you for coming and supporting your group's net. 73. This is DB1 Uniform Leo Mike for DX1 PRS. Your station is clear. Delta Zulu 1 Delta. Ay, good evening. Kamusta na, Ninong?
Magandang gabi, Idol. At magandang gabi, DX1 PRS. 73, checking in. Over.
2Y1, Kilo Lima Gold for the net.
Charlie November Delta for the net.
1 Echo Yankee Romeo.
Teka, hold on muna ha, standby. Tawag dito. Okay. Ito, thank you for supporting the group's net. 73. At ito, nakabalik tayo sa radyo ulit. Baka sa kabila, makapag-net call na naman tayo. 73. At thank you for supporting the group's net as always. Okay, meron akong 3 stations. After ni Delta Zulu 1 Delta, banggitin ko lang yung suffixes ha. Bravo Zulu Echo, yung susunod. Pax Bravo Lima, yung susunod. At yung dalawang stations pa, QRZ.
Charlie November Delta for the net.
2Y1, Kilo Lima Gold for the net. 4 Gold 1.
Okay, I copy 2 station. Charlie November Delta, Kilo Lima Gold. Yung 4 Gold 4, QRZ.
4 Gold 1, Alpha.
Wala Alpha something lang nakuha ko.
Alpha Kilo Tango yata, tito.
4 Gold 1.
O yan, dami nang naiinggit sa'yo. QSL. Tanggalin mo yung compression ng pagmamic press mo para hindi rinig yung background. Hindi ka rin ma-identify. Walang audio lumalabas eh. Okay, calling the stations with Bravo Zulu Echo.
Good evening, Control. Good evening to all station and Manito. Para tulong Bravo sa Lego. Checking in. Supporting unit with no traffic. 73, salamat.
Dito Alpha Kilo Tango, yung kanina.
Okay, copy. Alpha Kilo Tango. Sunod ni Kilo Lima Golf. Okay, thank you for H1 Bravo Zulu Echo for coming and supporting the group's net. 73. Rowena, pasensya na at natatabunan nung nagmamic press na walang audio. May background lang. Narinig lang yung background. So, 73 and thank you. Okay, next station is 4H1 Charlie Nancy Delta.
Charlie November Delta, Binyan Station, just coming up, supporting the evening net. 73 po. Magandang gabi.
Okay, gandang gabi rin likewise and thank you for coming and supporting the group's net. And I'll catch you again on Monday. Next station is Kilo Lima Golf.
Copy, thank you for voice control, DY1, Kilo Lima Golf. Join the internet, transmitting from Muntinlupa with the handed name of Joseph. No further traffic at nag-iiwan ang kasabihang ang pamilyang sa may sabay na galakbay ay pinalaya sa inupahang bahay. 73.
Okay yan, Joseph. Kala ko, sabay-sabay nagka-virus eh. Thank you, Joseph, for coming and supporting the Groupsnet. 73, and I catch you again on Monday.
Napatawa ako.
The station of DY1, Kilo Lima Gold. Checking in, your station is clear. Rowena, good evening. This is DB1 Uniform Neo Mike for the X1 PRS. For Hotel 1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Okay, for Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf. Go ahead, good evening. Okay, thank you for coming up supporting the net. I say 73 likewise. For Hotel 1 Delta Tango Golf. This is DB1 Uniform Neo Mike. 5 and 5 ka dito sa akin sa Muntinlupa. Your station is clear. For H1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Nagkasabay kayo. For H1 Alpha Kilo Tango.
For G1 EOL.
Walang audio eh. Okay, second call for H1 Alpha Kilo Tango. Rowena, go ahead.
For G1 EOL.
4G1 DOL Delta Oscar Lima.
Ayun, good evening po, Control. This is for Golf Panico, Oscar Lima po, transmitting ko ang Taguig. Just supporting the net. 73, mabuhay.
Okay, thank you for coming up supporting the group's net. 73 likewise, and I got you again on Monday. 4G1 DOL, this is DB1 ULM, your station is clear.
1 Echo Yankee Romeo.
Echo Yankee Romeo. Yun, go ahead. Good evening. This is DB1 Uniform Neo Mike.
Good evening, Control. This is 1 Echo Yankee Romeo, transmitting from Cabuyao, Laguna. So joining and supporting the Memorial Net Call of PRS. No further traffic, 73.
Okay, 7 wise, and thank you for coming up supporting the group's net with the memory of the UNEOY. The station of Echo Yankee Radio. Checking in. Your station is clear. Any more stations calling in? DB1 ULM.
Delta Whiskey 1, Queen Echo Whiskey.
4 Golf 1, Fox Bravo Lima.
41 Whiskey Uniform Foxtrot.
Okay, I copy 3 stations. 4G1 Queen Echo Whiskey with Bravo Lima, and C. Amor. I'm calling the station of 4G1 Echo, Queen Echo Whiskey.
Good evening, Control. Correction, Del. Just reporting the 73 all stations, no further traffic.
Thank you for coming up supporting the net. I say 73 likewise. And I'll catch you again on Monday. The next station, tawag dito, Fox Bravo Lima, 4G1 Fox Bravo Lima.
Good evening, all stations. Good evening, Tito Francis, TV1 ULM, for the Exxon PRS. This is 441 Foxtrot Bravo Lima. Name is Elmore from Muntinlupa City. Just join us supporting the Lolaton Memorial Net Call. No further traffic, 73.
Okay, 73 likewise, and thank you for coming out supporting the Groups Net. Totoo yan si Loloton. So, support kayo. So, catch you again on Monday. This is DB1 Uniform, Neo Microstation is clear. Amor, go ahead. 4G1 Whiskey Uniform Fox.
Good evening, press. TV1 ULM. 4G1. No more traffic. Good evening to all stations. 73.
Okay, 73 likewise, and thank you for coming and supporting the Groups Net. As always, sa inyong suporta sa ating panawagan at grupo. From the group, one of the officers, 4G1 Whiskey Uniform Fox checking in. Your station is clear. Okay, I heard two stations with the DU1 and 4 Hotel 1. Yung DU1 station, Carset. Carset, the station with the DU1. Hindi ka makopya dito sa akin eh. Tawag dito. Okay. Sige, isa pa. The station with the D1.
DU1 Queen Echo, Oscar Press. For Golf 1, Alpha November India.
Okay, copy for Golf 1 Alpha November India, nandito na. Okay, sa mga magko-check-in, pakibanggit na lang ang call sign. Ayusin na lang natin to. At may nagma-mic press eh. Sa pamundo ng katakutan, ganyan ang ginagawa, hindi nagpapakilala. Pakibanggit na lang ang call sign, nalalag natin para madali tayo.
DU1 November Tango Zulu.
Okay, D1 November Tango Zulu, nandito na. Thank you. Nakalag na po. Any more station?
Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, for direct.
Okay, for Hotel 1, Yankee Quebec Delta, nandito na. Thank you. Any more station?
SDU1 Queen Echo Oscar, tsaka si Forest 1 Yankee Queen Alpha.
Okay, nandito na si Jessie, then si Yankee Queen Alpha, nandito na. Any more station?
For Golf.
Okay, yung 4 Golf 1, pakibalik ha. Hintayin mo mawala yung ano. Pagka hindi pa rin, doon tayo sa digital. 4 Golf. Yung 4 Hotel 1, pakibalik yung tatlong ko suffix. Kopya mo, Jun.
Yung pong isang station, mapakiulit po ng call sign. Whiskey, Victor, Echo, and PUR.
Hindi tayo makasingit. May jammer.
Press for G1 PUR at saka
Okay, copy ko yun. Si Root Boy. For G1 PUR. Okay, any more stations calling in? You're set. DB1 ELM.
Delta Zulu 1 Charlie.
We are calling for any more stations, checking in for D1 UOI, Session Net. This is DB1 Uniform Lima Mike, standing by. D1 Sierra Victor Yankee. Ayan, Ninong Lawrence, good evening.
Evening, Ninong Francis, DP1 ULM for good evening and supporting the D1 UI special edition net for D1 UI. Checking in, no traffic, 73, mabuhay.
Thank you, Ninong Lawrence, for coming up supporting the group's net for D1 UI special net call. The Para District 1 Manager, D1 Sierra Victor Yankee, checking in. Your station is clear. Any more stations calling in? Carset, DB1 ELM. Whiskey Victor Sierra, QSL. Victor Hotel Sierra. War Hotel 1, Victor Hotel Sierra. Okay, for Hotel 1, Whiskey Victor Hotel, QSL.
This is Hotel Hotel.
QSL, thank you for coming up supporting the GruzNet. Sa NDT, 5 entry ka dito sa akin sa Muntinlupa. At medyo hirap din sa splatter. 4H1 Whiskey Victor Hotel, Salamba, DB1 ELM, your station is clear.
I-1.
Okay, 4I1 Alpha Golf Juliet, Edsel, dito na. Ete. Any more station? Okay, the station with 4 Echo 1, QRZ.
Hotel 1.
Matutuwa sa'yo si Lolo Ton yan. Sana makita mo sa panaginip mo at malaman niya yung ginagawa. Okay, meron na 4 Echo 1, 4 Golf 1, at meron pang isa.
tawag na po ba for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta? Gandang gabi po, 73, mabuhay.
Okay, nandito na po for Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. Pagpasensyahan nyo na at meron tayong mabait na kasamang nagmamic press eh. For Hotel 1 Yankee Quebec Delta. Okay. Any more station?
Press, palag na lang din ito na sa akin.
Yes, nakita ko na. Salamat yung sa mga relay natin. Thank you. Nandito na rin yung mga nasulat. Copy mo?
Copy. Hindi lang, at dito lang kami supporting.
Okay, so any more stations calling in? This is DB1 Uniform Lima Mike.
For Echo 1, Radio Alpha.
For Echo 1, Radio Alpha. Yun. Good evening, this is DB1 Uniform Lima Mike.
Good evening, CR8 ng Makati for Echo 1, Radio Alpha. From DX1 ARC. Negative traffic, just supporting DX1 PRS net. 73.
Okay, 73, likewise, for Echo 1 Radio Alpha, this is DB1 Uniform Lima Mike. Station is clear. Okay, so any more stations calling in? DB1 ELM. For India 1, Bravo, Kilo, Quebec, KSL. For India 1, Bravo, question mark, pakibalik po. Hindi ko na-copy. 4G1 lang ang klaro sa akin. Pasensya na. TV1 Uniform Lima Mike. Copy ko yung Pasay. Tapos biglang nag-fade yung audio. KSL.
Bravo Kilo Alpha Press.
Okay. Tama yung sulat ko. Si Mang Robert. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the relay. 4G1 Bravo Kilo Alpha. Nandito na po. Okay, any more stations calling in? DB1 ELM.
DY9, Juliet Delta Charlie at saka for Hotel 1, Bravo Delta Golf.
Bravo Delta Golf. Sino yung isa, yung sabi mo taga DU9?
Si Juni ng Davao del Norte from the group DX9 United Alpha India.
Juni, anong call sign?
Delta Yankee 9 Juliet Delta Charlie.
Okay. DY9 Delta Juliet Delta Charlie nandito na. 4G1 Bravo Delta Golf nandito na rin. At meron ako nakopyang Echo Victoro Yankee QSL.
Dito for Hotel 1 Bravo Delta Golf yun.
Pakibalik yung prefix yung Echo Victor Yankee. Sila?
Press, ano yun? DU1 Kilo India Yankee. Edna San Pablo.
Paki-acknowledge D1 PRF.
Good. Delta Uniform 1 Kilo India Yankee. Magandang gabi po. Special at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa special net call ng DX1 PRS in memory of DU1 UOY. 73. Okay, press DU1 Charlie.
Yeah, QSL, D1 Charlie, DB1 Uniform, Leo Mike. Yun. Go ahead. Good evening. Yes, sir. Lakas sa signal, 5 and 5 sa akin. Yung kanina San Pablo, medyo mahina. Thank you for coming up supporting GrowsNet. And catch you again on Monday. Nagkarinigan din tayo dito naman. D1 Charlie, DB1 Uniform, Leo Mike. Your station is clear. Any more stations calling in? DB1 ULM.
4 Golf 1 Echo November Delta.
4 Golf 1 Echo November Delta. Ang ganda ng call sign. Go ahead. Good evening.
Tito Francis, si Del ito, Sukat Paranaque. Kumusta ka na? Uli tayong nag-uusap yata, may bagyo sa SLEX. Anyway, supporting the X1 PRS in memory of the late UOY 73.
Sir, ba't ka pa nagpalit ng call sign? Sabi ko na nga ba ikaw yan, Del eh. Oo nga, kasagsagan ng binaybay ko yung baha na yun. Nangyayari. Ang bigat nun. Pero nakalusob naman tayo. And sige. Del, thank you for coming and supporting the GrowsNet. And kita tayo ulit. Kape. Dun sa ating unang pinagkapihan. Nakakatatlo akong daan doon. Madalas ngayon. Alam mo naman yung exit natin. So, 4G1 Echo November Delta. Ayos to So, DB1 Uniform Leo Mike. Your station is clear. Any more stations calling in?
DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra.
Yun, ang boy. DU1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, DB1 ULM. Gandang gabi po.
Tandang gabi po sa inyo at sa lahat. Nagpapatalala, buhabati, at tikpis-tikpis. Gabi ng tatlo sa inyo at sa lahat. No other traffic, Karex. Salamat po.
Salamat po sa inyo, Mang Boy, sa walang sawang suporta sa ating panawagan. Mapa-analog o digital, salamat po sa inyo. Sa ating araw-araw, ingat lagi at sa susunod na panawagan sa Lunes. D1 Alpha Zulu Sierra, DB1 Uniform, Lima Mike, your station is clear.
Check back.
Check back po, go ahead. Magandang gabi po ulit.
Idol Francis. Nakikisuyo kasi sa akin. 4 Hotel 1 Alpha Lima, India.
Yes, sir, nalag ko na siya dito, si Ang Lito. Ang tawag dito, nasan ba yung kanyang lag? Number 4 siya, kanina, nailag ko.
Roger. Pagan ako. Nasa Victoria.
QSL. Medyo may kalayuan pala. Nandito na, walang problema. At meron tayong kaibigan na nainggit eh. Alam mo na. Magkita sana sila ni Loloton. Go ahead.
Okay, sige. Salamat. QSY, gandang gabi.
Okay, gandang gabi, Kuya Don. DB1 Uniform, Leo Mike, for the X1 PRS Saturday net call. D1 UOY, standing by. Okay, any more stations calling in? DB1 ULM. Okay, dalawa yung tumawag. Go ahead, yung Tito Francis.
Kano po ba makano doon? Na-update po yung ano mo? Yung
ako, hindi ko na-kopya eh. Tawag dito. Message mo sa akin, Cell.
Maganda pa.
Press permission.
Okay, go ahead. Take it.
Gilbert, ikaw ba? Gilbert, ikaw yun.
Dito pa.
Punta ka na lang sa DX1, members and friends. Doon mo makikita agad.
Okay. Maraming salamat ba dito? Marami.
Wala pa. Gilbert, yung full name mo pala. Ipapadaan ko sa friends and members and friends ng software.
Gilbert Bunacali pa.
Kesala. Sige, Gilbert. Maraming salamat.
Salamat po.
Okay, Gilbert, thank you. 73. Okay. Any more stations calling in? DB1 Yellow.
One to Mexico.
Yun, Rick, go ahead. The Iwan Kilo Whiskey Mike.
Calgary Passes. I'm going to say again. Yan lang yung doon. Just support it. Meron akong just support it lang kayo. Last traffic. Sa U3, good evening.
Kesal, wala. Malakas. At, sabog nga speaker. At, thank you for coming up supporting the, D1 UOI Memorial Net ngayon sa atin. 73 at usap tayo ulit. The B1KWM from the group checking in. Your station is clear. Any more stations calling in? D1 PRF, DB1 GLF, may tawag ako. Pakisalo muna.
Sige, press. At dito muna. Any more station would like to check in memory of DU1 UOI special net call. Go ahead.
DV1 WW.
Okay, Vic, kindly hold on. Yung pong isang may deltang call sign, pakibalik po. Delta. Okay, Vic, kindly hold on lang at medyo mahina si Edgar, Delta Whiskey 3, Whiskey Echo Delta. Go ahead, Edgar, magandang gabi. Welcome to Special Net Call. DX1 Perez, memory of Loloton. Go ahead. Yes, hello nga, Edgar. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa special net call ng DX1 Perez in memory of DU1 UOI. Your station po DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta is now clear. Next station, Delta Victor 1 Whiskey Vic. Welcome to special net call in memory of Loloton. Great.
Good evening. Just supporting the net in commemorating Loloton. Ano ba ito? Death anniversary. No traffic. 73 mabuhay. Thank you.
Okay, Vic, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa special net ng DX1 PRS in memory of Loloton. Your station, Delta Whiskey 1, Delta Victor 1 Whiskey is now clear. Okay, Paul Injuan, Papa Uniform Victor, Voltaire, ka ba ito? Go ahead. Okay, Josie, kindly hold on. Okay, Voltaire, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa special net call ng DX1 PRS in memory of Loloton. Your station, 4 India 1 Papa Uniform Victor is now clear. At saka paki-advise na yung full name, paki-lag na lang sa DX1 PRS sa members and friends para sa certificate. 73, your station is now clear. Next station, Paul Golf 1, Charlie, Bravo, Lima. Josie, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 PRS special net call in memory of Loreton. Copy, likewise, Josie, at maraming salamat din sa pagsuporta sa special net call ng DX1 PRS in memory of DU1 EOY. Your station, Paul Golf 1, Charlie, Bravo, Lima is now clear.
Mike Victor India.
Okay, Troy, Robert, kindly hold on. Yung po isang station na napasabay, medyo mahina lang po. Pakibalik po ng call sign. At Troy, kopya ka na. At nandito na. Kindly hold on lang saglit. Yung po isang station na medyo mahina. Pakiulit po ng call sign.
Mike Victor Lima.
Kopya, Mike Victor Lima. O, sige nga. Okay, Nelson. At unahin muna natin, Mike Victor Lima. Adrian, go ahead. Copy, likewise, Adrian, at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa ating special net call in memory of the U1 YOY. Your station, 4G1 Mike Victor Lima from the group and from Lucena City is now clear. Next station, 4 India 1 Alpha November Echo. Troy, magandang gabi. Welcome to the X1 PRS net call in memory of Loreton. Okay, Troy, at maraming salamat. Medyo nawawala yung signal mo. At maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa special net call ng DX1 PRS in memory of the U1 YOY. Your station for India 1 Alpha November Echo is now clear. Next station for India 1 Mike Victor India. Robert and Juliana, go ahead, magandang gabi.
Hi, Tito June.
Ayun, good evening, Tito June. Good evening to all stations. D1 PRF for the X1 PRS net. For I1 Mike Victor India, together with
Juliana checking in, supporting the group. Net.
no further traffic, 73.
Copy, likewise, Robert at Juliana, maraming salamat sa pagsuporta. Lalo na ngayon sa special net call ng DX1 PRS in memory of Loreton. Your station for India 1 Mike Victor India is now clear.
Delta Victory 1, Yankee, Quebec, Yankee.
Yankee, Quebec, Yankee, paki-hold on lang po. Yung pong isang station na napasabay kay Yankee, Quebec, Yankee, go ahead. Paki-ulit po ng call sign. Nelson, kopya mo?
Negative.
Si Tita Dali, DU1 Delta Lima Yankee, DB1 KLM para sa DX1 PRS, go ahead. Go ahead, Tita Dali. DU1 Delta Lima Yankee. DU1 Delta Lima Yankee. Yes, sir. Tita Dali, thank you for coming up supporting the group stats, NT3. This is DB1 Uniform Radio Mike. Kasama natin si D1 Papa Radio Fox and si 4H1 Lima Charlie United, si Nelson. Okay, nalag ko dito yung mga stations, si Vic, DB1 Whiskey, DW3 Whiskey Echo Delta, si Josie, 4G1 Charlie Bravo Lima, si Adrian, 4G1 MBL, Robert, Mike Victor India, for I1 MBI, si Ann, 4G1 Alpha November Echo, meron pa isa, DV1 Yankee, Quebec Yankee, si Mang Jun, at si Tita Dali, D1 Delta Lima Yankee.
Permission to relay, pre.
Okay, go ahead.
Acknowledge ko na lang, tita. Acknowledge the station of Jeffrey ng Quezon City from the group DX1 EBM. One of the CS of DX1 EBM, your station, Delta Uniform 1, Juliet Whiskey is properly logged and clear. Acknowledge ko din ang station ni Allen ng Santa Cruz, Laguna from the group DX1 MK. Your station, Delta Victory 1, Alpha Papa Oscar is properly logged and clear. And station of Leonilo ng Bungabong, Castilla Zambales, your station Delta Uniform 3, Delta Bravo Pack Track, properly logged and clear. Yung ano lang dito, tatlo.
4I1 MWS po, check in out, nagdanet na po sa kabila. Salamat po, Tito Nelson.
Copy na 4I1 MWS.
Sino si Dan?
QSL, tito, si Dan yun.
QSL, kopya dito. So, kopya ko dito, nasulat na, D1 Juliet Whiskey, si Allen, DB1 APO, si Leo, DU3 Delta Bravo Fox, kasi Dan for I1 MWS.
Pasabay na rin, tito, Delta Whiskey 1, Victor Oscar Sulu.
Delta Victory 1.
Delta Whiskey 1 pala, Victor Oscar Sulu.
DU5 QSL. Yung isang station, QSL. Oil ng Lusby, Victor Lima Zulu, DU1 Victor Lima Zulu. Thank you for supporting the net of the X1 PRS. This is DB1 Uniform Neo Mike. 23 on behalf of D1 UI special memorial net call. Okay, so any more stations calling in before we close the net? DB1 ELM.
For Hotel 1 Victor Uniform.
4H1 Victor United Uniform.
Magandang gabi, Control. For Hotel 1 Victor Uniform, transmitting Binyan Laguna, may handle name Boro. No other traffic, nagpapatala lang, no other traffic po, 73, mabuhay.
Hey, Secretary Boro, and thank you for coming and supporting the net. This is DB1 Uniform Number 5960, Muntinlupa. Your station is clear. Okay, any more stations calling in?
DB1YQY.
DB1YQY. QSL. Nandito na. Mang Jun. Nakatala at na-relay na ni Nelson.
Kuya Francis, si Mon ng DX1 Ace.
QSL. Mon. Alam mo, ang hirap na hindi updated ang logbook sa tagal na hindi nag-call sign. Nag-net call. Kay Mon, nandito na po. Number 59.
Okay, thank you. Supporting DX1 PRS special net call. 73, salamat po.
Okay, QSL, DB1YQY. Mon, thank you. At 73. Ingat lang lagi. At more stations calling in.
Romeo Oscar Mike.
Okay, Romeo Oscar Mike. Good evening. This is DB1 Uniform Neo Mike.
Good evening, Control. Nagpapatala lang po sa gabi-gabing lambatan. Wala namang ibang mensahe. 73.
Okay, salamat sa iyong suporta sa ating panawagan ngayong gabi. 73 likewise at sa Lunes ulit. The station of Radio Oscar Mike. This is DB1 ULM. Your station is clear. And more station.
DU1 Hotel Lima Victor, late check.
DU1 Hotel Lima Victor. QSL, go ahead. Good evening.
Magandang gabi po, Tito. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nakikinig sa Impapawid.
Sumusuporta lang po sa Gabing Lambatan at kasama ang aking may bahay na si Delta Yankee 155 India. Si Tito Bani at si Tita Leia from Pasig City, 73 po.
CSL, Tito Bani at Tita Leia, salamat sa inyo pati sa suporta ngayong gabi sa panawagan natin para sa ating the late D1 UOY special net call natin para sa kanya ngayon. 2 stations, D1 Hotel Lima Victor with DY1 55 India. 73, and more station. Okay, last call for any more stations calling in, DB1 ELM. Okay, saran natin, sakto, no? +2. Okay. Okay, final call, DB1 ELM for the X1 PRS Saturday net. Wala na. Okay, thank you for the sakto. 69 stations, favorite number for coming up, supporting the special net call in memory of the D1 UOY Lolo Tony. And we hope to catch you again on Monday for the next editions. Lahat po na nagpatala ngayong gabi, magkakaroon po kayo ng special certificate na ipadadala natin. Ipopost doon sa ating group page. Okay, so thank you very much for supporting the GroupsNet, and we hope to catch you again on Monday, same time, same frequency, 145.340 megahertz. On behalf of the group X1 PRS, this is DB1 Uniform Leo Mike. The name is Francis, saying thank you very much and good evening to all. Net is now closed. Frequency 145.340 is back to normal. Modulations and ingat lang lagi. Be well and be safe. 23.
DB1 ULM, D1 PRM.
Go ahead.
Press, ako nila mag-post sa GC natin.
Yes, sir, okay lang. Te-text na nga sana kita eh. Tama ba? Recording ko sa recording mo? Pareho numero natin.
Yes, may mga kasama na acknowledge si Puriban ABC at saka yung XYL niya. Saka si DU1NT at na-acknowledge ba kanina? Para narinig ko agad.
KSL. Ayun, nakaligtaan ko yung XYL ni Al. Number 70. The rest, kasama dun sa group chat, okay na. Wala na problema. Padala ko na lang din para meron kang kopya. At yun na yung ma-produce yung yung listahan. Go.
Copy, press. Sige, maraming salamat. At advise na rin namin sila sa mga sa full name nila. Kung walang full name, ilagay na lang natin yung yung call sign. Permission to break. Good, Nelson. Magandang gabi. Pero sila ng pinag. Go ahead, Gilbert.